Ayon sa Merriam-Webster, innovation means introducing or using new ideas or methods. Isa sa synonyms nito ay creative. For example, from spoon and fork, literal na naging spoon with fork. At ang dating gamit ng payong na panangga sa araw at ulan ay pwede na rin magamit sa baha. Ayon naman kay Steve Jobs, innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Innovation is defined as the process of making changes to something established by introducing something new. Over the years, there have been many changes in the way education is designed and delivered in parts of the world. Today, technology is a significant driver behind change and sometimes plays an important role in innovations in educational design and delivery. The challenge is to ensure that innovation plays a constructive role in improving educational opportunities for billions of people who remain underserved in the rapidly developing world. Innovation better. Innovation requires risk and it requires patience. Most innovations that are commonplace today are the results of thousands of iterations based both on success and failure. The challenge of closing the ever-widening gap between the haves and have-nots may rest with the willingness of the education community to view education from a new perspective and to innovate. This may include making use of affordable and accessible technologies to expand access to education. It may also require other innovative process or service strategies that do not rely on technology. It may require a shift in focus to target educational and training programs to align more closely with what people identify as their most urgent needs. Greater student interaction is encouraged. The boundaries of authority are being broken down, and the focus on enjoyment over grades is emphasized. The traditional chalk and talk method of teaching that's persisted for hundreds of years is now acquiring inferior results when compared with the more modern and revolutionary teaching methods that are available for use in school today. As teachers, it's necessary to be able to teach and remain engaging. It puts a greater level of responsibility on creating lesson plans that truly work. Space learning. For example, providing 10 minutes of knowledge on the nervous system with a PowerPoint presentation and then having 15 minutes of basketball would be the way to get the better grades. The key is the brain cells. It helps them to create the connections that they need to actually remember the knowledge. Flexible Fridays. It makes it more convenient for students as now that they can focus on one thing while in school. It means that students don't have a breaking point by spending hours struggling with a subject alone at home. Teachers also find it easier as they can keep their lesson plans and simply go over them again with a more personal thought. Engagement. Engagement. Instead of conventional teaching methods, students were taken to visit local businesses where they were able to witness how the knowledge that they were learning applied to the real world. Bridge IT. Each teacher receives a Nokia mobile phone through which they are able to access and download a variety of educational content and the teacher training material. Bagosphere Call Center Course. The program targets high school graduates in particular, including youth that cannot find employment, cannot go to college, or have dropped out of college. Apex School. Its tuition fees among the bottom quartile of private schools in